Hello everyone, my name is Ming. Today I want to talk about climate change has impact our public health and that related to our air quality in our society. People always said that the government signed the Paris agreements that should be fine for the climate change. But I believe that climate change problem is not overcome yet based on our demand of energy personal habits, and fossil fuel usage. Those problems is getting more serious in the future. In this presentation, I want to let you guys know that how bending the pollution curve is in our environment, finding the right way to solve the air quality problem and start with a short-term goals to create a momentum to achieve our final goals in the future. We might questioning ourselves why climate change are so important, how climate change influence our health, and what we can do on those problems. To answer those questions, I break out of on three parts that directly affect our health, which cause our heart disease and lung cancer. At the beginning of this part, in our country, almost 48% emission level is produced by the factory and energy production. They use coal and natural gases to improve the productivity in our society. Although we have Paris Agreement to limit their emission, those pollutions still trigger heart disease and lung cancer in our society. That led our society face on a prisoner dilemma in the future when with people health because factory wants high productivity. Government also want to grow the GDPs in the society. Therefore, I believe part Paris Agreement is not enough to control the pollution problem in the local level, and we need more local laws to regulate those factories in the future. Secondly, our personal habits seems like common thing in everyone's life. But when we do a step more, it matters a lot of energy usage, such as make sure close the light with nobody in the room, reduce using the coal in the summertime barbecue, and keep the room temperature around 68 and 70 to 77 Fahrenheit. Because those small changes, we can save the energy and produce less black carbon in our world. So lastly, fossil fuel cars also is a serious problem in our country. Almost 90% households has more than one car in their family. Also, those in those engine has emission about 29% emission rate in our country every year. We should start to ban the fossil fuel cars, vehicles in our societies and use another recycled energy like electronics cars and make less pollution in our country. So in this photo, It shows that greenhouse gases, including nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and carbon dioxide, those are not only influence heart disease and lung cancer, it also affect our brain, liver, symptom, and blood. So those are the serious injury in our body. Banning those curves are not only protecting our environment, it also have benefit with the air quality for improving our living qualities to not getting sick with those greenhouse gases. Thank you for your listening.